Passing a major exam, a step-by-step guide. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a phrase that often pops up in the world of education: passing a major exam. Whether you're a student, an aspiring professional, or simply curious, understanding this concept is key to navigating academic and professional landscapes. Let's unfold the layers behind this phrase and explore how it impacts lives. Passing a major exam is not just about marking answers on a test paper. It symbolizes achieving a significant milestone in one's academic or professional journey. A major exam can be anything from a high school final to a university entrance test, or even a professional certification exam. Passing it often opens new doors and brings a sense of accomplishment and progress. Major exams usually have a few common characteristics. 1. Extensive syllabus. They cover a broad range of topics, requiring in-depth understanding and comprehensive study. 2. High stakes. The outcomes of these exams can significantly affect a candidate's future, influencing their educational or career paths. 3. Rigorous preparation. Candidates often spend months, sometimes years, preparing to ensure they understand the material thoroughly. Passing a major exam is a pivotal moment. It's not just about the score. It's about opening opportunities, whether it's advancing to the next academic level or qualifying for a dream job. Passing propels individuals forward. Boosting confidence. The success reaffirms the individual's hard work and ability to overcome challenging milestones. Setting a foundation. It lays the groundwork for future academic pursuits or professional advancements. While each exam is unique, certain strategies universally enhance the chances of passing. Effective planning, structured study schedules, and setting realistic goals are crucial. Understanding the format, familiarizing oneself with the question patterns, time allocations, and marking schemes. Regular practice, consistent practice, including mock tests and past papers, to build familiarity and confidence. Seeking support. Utilizing resources like tutoring, study groups, or online forums for guidance and motivation. Passing a major exam is more than just a score. It's a testament to diligence, knowledge, and determination. Whether you're gearing up for a significant test or supporting someone who is, remember that this journey is a blend of preparation, strategy, and mental resilience. We hope this video sheds light on the importance and impact of passing a major exam. Keep striving, keep learning, and all the best on your academic and professional paths.